Oh man, I'm so bored. Plus, I don't have any girls texting me. Huh? What's that? Huh? To get the girl's attention, you need to be able to do the following. Muscle ups. Of course I can do muscle up. One arm push-ups. Yeah, of course I can do that. Frog stance? Yeah, easy brother. Oh, press to handstand? That's why.
Look, what is even more graceful than doing a handstand? Nothing aside from getting into position smoothly as planned. No wonder gals don't notice me, I just wing it normally. Like bro, I can do most calisthenics tricks, right? But this for me is really difficult and strenuous. The only time I can hop into a handstand is by either having a wall to support me or walking on my hands awkwardly. It's time to expand and become a handstand champ. In this video, we will see how I learned the press to handstand in only 3 days. Let's get into it. To begin to learn this skill, I did a strength assessment. Where was I on the scale of succeeding this skill? Damn, pretty freaking far. The route was gonna be rough. Still, I calmed myself and set the goal of doing a press to handstand with bent arms and hold in place for 5 seconds. Yeah, that's my goal. Then I wanted to know how strong I was in terms of relatable muscle group that the press to handstand uses, like the shoulders and the traps. I can do nearly 12 supported handstand push-ups. Great. Walk and handstand for 15 seconds? Hell yeah. And hold a tuck planche for 5 seconds. Yeah, I know, my numbers kinda suck. I'll blame it on the preparation for my first bodybuilding comp. But at least I have these coconut shoulders look. And now, there is only one way to learn it, and it is by trying time and time again. So, I did. On day 1, the results did not change. I fell over and over again. But I realized something. And that something was that my weak muscles were both my shoulders and my wrists. So I then finished this try-hard session with 3 sets of handstand push-up, followed by 3 sets of wall handstand hold. And to make progress quicker, I even looked online and found some cool exercises to help me out. I've added the support pike slide and pike push-up to destroy the last bit of muscle tissue that I had. And the better way to execute these last 2 movements is to get as perpendicular as possible to the ground, and also tucking your head between your shoulders. This day 1 took around 25 minutes overall. For day 2, I took 1 day off to recuperate. Then, my muscles were ready to assess where I was in terms of succeeding this skill. Yes! Progress! It was slightly better than the last time. Still, I felt like my weakness came from my wrists. I then took the time to work more of my wrists, especially with the support pike slide, which really gets you to use your wrist muscle. And now day 3 came around. It was showtime. Alright guys, so this weekend I won't be able to practice. This is day 3 of the workout. I'm going for the kill, which means I'm doing it shirtless. Press to handstand, here I come. Ooh, I was so close to get it. Day 3 is gonna be the day. I just have to do it before it starts raining like crazy. So I just watched the playback from the second set. For me, it's kind of a success, but as I said in my intro, I want 5 seconds. I was like maybe 2.5 and 3 seconds. I'm almost there. Third set, it's the good one. Let's go! Yes! Oh shit! Woo! Freaking raining right now. I don't actually care because I think I got it, boys. Let's go! Alright guys, just came back from the park. So for me it's a pass. The technique is only the wrist, really. Go slow in the beginning. Then in the middle of the movement you can explode with your legs, but maintain that control with your fingers and your forearms, wrist, so you really get that movement and that press handstand easily. As I said, I just cut it before getting all wet,
It's raining like crazy outside, so I see you for the conclusion. Peace out, bros. Bam!
Hell yeah, I did it, it feels so good, and now I can do it anywhere.
Since I'm able to do it, I can check it off right now. Huh? What's that? A new DM. Oh, it's a bro, not even a gal. They got me again.
If you like this video, then share, comment, and leave a like. Also bros, I've got something for you. If you're wondering what are the strengths and the weaknesses of your physique, then fill out the Google form in the description box down below. I will then email you with a video of mine where I critique your physique for you to have a better fitness journey. This was Nick Lap. Here, we never peak, because the best is yet to come. Peace out!